Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prioritizing safety and readiness. Warm up thoroughly and confirm clear tap and communication signals with your partner. Once done, assume a balanced athletic stance. Make sure your posture, hips, and breathing are engaged so you won't get sprawled. Next, practice controlled entries at half speed with a coach supervising. This builds timing without full force. Keep sessions short and focused. Review form between reps and stop immediately if either person feels pain. Once you've rehearsed safe entries, progress to controlled execution drills emphasizing timing and balance rather than force. Work slow for 3-5 reps per set, then increase fluidity while keeping 60-70% effort. Make sure your partner resists lightly so you learn real pressure. Use video review and coach feedback to correct angles and weight distribution. Between sets, reset posture and discuss small adjustments. If something feels off, back to slow, reps immediately and re-establish. To complete a controlled takedown practice, focus on securing stable control over your partner's hips and chest, then gradually release when they tap or the drill ends. Communicate constantly. If counterpressure like a sprawl disrupts you, stop, reset to a balanced base, and circle away to re-enter with a different angle. This keeps training productive. Finally, if you hit a persistent problem or pain, pause training, consult your coach or physiotherapist, and adjust volume to prevent injury.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.